remind ourselves the reason why we are doing what we are doing now, to liberate ourselves from this system. We are not in fight with anyone, but we are fighting as the indigenous owner of the land. Orílẹ̀-èdè wa adúró. There is no doubt about that. And if anybody is having a doubt, look at what is happening currently in Nigeria as they want to do constitutional review. We can't constitutional review, it's too late now. All I can say is, Orílẹ̀-èdè tiwa adúró. We will own our currency. We will have our own military force. We will have our own police, our own immigration. We will get out of this old system called Nigeria. You might think it's a joke. Even Femi Falana knows there's a trouble coming. All that video I'll be playing during the course of this program. I say, good evening. Somebody's watching us from all the way from Baghdad. Wow, quite a long journey down there. All the way in Libya, every part of the globe. My name is Olayomi Koiki. A lot of you know me as Koiki Media. Some generation, I want to fi ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá lóòótọ́, what if you make owó? But this generation wants to complete the journey now. Whether they like it or not, whether they're happy with it or not, we will break up Nigeria. And that is the word they don't want to hear. Àwọn kan máa ní Koiki, mama lo break up. Rather use disintegration. It doesn't make any difference. And stop calling us secessionists. Nigeria will go into the drain. We will not go into 2023 election. It doesn't matter what is going to happen then. We will leave that into the bottom of our stomach, because ẹ̀yin àgbàlagbà náà lè ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ kọ́ là ń sọ jáde. Yomi máa mú àwọn díẹ̀ sẹ́yìn. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin aláàjì, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin aláàjà, mo kí gbogbo Kristẹni, mo kí gbogbo babaláwo, mo kí gbogbo àwọn sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ from every platform. I told you, táwọn kan bá ń sùn, àwọn àkànṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. This will be a 4 hours broadcast. There's no doubt about it. I pity those of you in Nigeria, because I wish I could do more to save your data. But if you're thinking that you might not have enough data for the 4 hours broadcast, you might want to join us on the MixLR. You will have opportunity at some point to also get involved, because it is not about me. Nigeria. It is about every one of us. Tinubu cannot buy this journey. Not any politician. The governor knows there's a trouble coming. The senator, the elite, the lawyers, every single person knows that Nigeria is about to collapse. All the atrocity happening in the southeast. I was listening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a very powerful man on his own with the Biafra. But this is a Yoruba platform. I will speak my language. I understand. Some of you want to enjoy it as well. But Allah is so a dewa. Somebody sent me a voice note, say, I thought when I was going to be in Nigeria or in Yoruba land, whichever one you want to look at it, that my English will have got lost or for 6 months. But as you can imagine, somebody that lived outside Nigeria for over 2 decades, it will be difficult to remove that English out of it. But English, Britain, oh, I can say somebody is already giving us, people talk about our YouTube, and I was able to set that up today, and I can see the first person saying, for the good job you're doing, I'm going to put in $10. Thank you very much for that message, and I say thank you very much to Ayo Ore for putting that message through. Once again, we have just started. It is not yet over until we see the whole new constitution of Yoruba land set up, a new nation. Some people think this is a joke. Lojuyin Odabire, when they thought it was a joke, was last year. Now, the politicians are walking around the clock. How do we stop this movement? It is a movement that is the blessing of the Creator, and there's no doubt about it. Let's hear more. Orílẹ̀-èdè wa adúró.
Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà àti gbogbo aláàtò tí ó wà ní ìdí gbígbé àṣà àti ìṣe ọmọ kóòtù òjíire lárugẹ. Ní pàápàá jùlọ gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí à ń rí àti ní abẹ́lẹ̀ kí orílẹ̀-èdè Odùduwà, ìyẹn Odùduwà Republic, lè dúró.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ẹ ṣeun gan ni, Olódùn tó mọ àrè á dì yín mú, àwọn alálẹ̀ á kí yín lẹ́yìn, Olódùmarè á gbé gbogbo àṣẹ t'Èdùmàrè.
Odùduwà Republic á dúró.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa fi ọwọ́ sowọ́pọ̀.
Gbogbo wa pátápátá lájọ máa fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀, àtẹni tó mọ̀wé, àtẹni tó mọ̀wé, àtẹni tó lọ́pọlọ, àtẹni tó lọ́pọlọ, àtẹni tó mọ̀ọ́jà, àtẹni tó mọ̀ọ́jà, àti babaláwo, àti pastor, àti bishop, àti catholic, àti àfà, àti sheikh. I understand. àwọn ìmáàmù kan máa sọ pé ibo lẹ́ ń kó wa lọ. Kí lẹ mí pé ibo là ń kó yín lọ? Ibo lẹ ti wà látijọ́ ìtẹ́lẹ̀. So now ni gbogbo yín ṣe mọ̀ pé ibo là ń kó yín lọ. Ẹ̀yin ṣe lajú nísìn pé ibo là ń kó yín lọ. Every one of you, ẹ̀yin àfáà, ẹ̀yin babaláwo, ẹ̀yin kìrìsìtẹ́nì, ẹ mọ̀ pé Nàìjíríà yóò san wá. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ dákẹ́. Tó bá ti pè yín sí wòlímọ̀, tó bá ti fún yín ní kékeré nínú church, tó bá ti kó díẹ̀ wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ babaláwo, gbogbo yín wá dákẹ́ lọ fẹ́. Àwa kan wá dìde nísìn, ẹ wá ń bi wá pé inú Yorùbá nation tá à ń lọ yẹn, kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀? Ta ló máa jẹ olórí wa? Kí ni kàn wá pẹ̀lú yẹn? Kí ni kàn wá pẹ̀lú ta ló? So torí ẹ̀ ká wá dúró sínú Nàìjíríà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn Haúsá wọ́n ti capture gbogbo ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà tẹ́lẹ̀. Àwọn kan ló pa àwọn tó wà nínú igbó nìkan ni. No, it is not about those in the forest alone. It is more than that. Let's start with this first video from our father, Professor Banji Akintoye. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ díẹ̀ nínú kan tí bàbá yìí tó máa sọ fún wa lálẹ́.
Àwọn ò ní gbà pé ká jáde, àwa la mọ̀ bá ṣe máa, àwa la máa wọ̀nà tá a máa fi jáde. Adẹ̀ ń wọ̀nà báyìí. Kò sí pé àwọn ẹ̀yìn à ń wẹ̀gbẹ́, àwọn ọ̀tún, àwọn òsì. Yorùbá pé kò gbúdọ̀ jáde ní Nàìjíríà. That's all.
Ṣẹ̀gbọ́n kan tí bàbá wa sọ, bàbá wa ní gbogbo wa láti jáde kúrò nínú Nàìjíríà. That is all, and that is the message. Ṣé rí àwọn kan wà tí Ọlọ́run kẹ́ dáadáa. Tó bá ní Ọlọ́run kẹ́ wọn, owó Nàìjíríà náà Ọlọ́run fi kẹ́ wọn, ẹ̀rù ń bà wọ́n. And I understand, ẹ ti rí oríṣiríṣi owó lọ́nà èrú, lọ́nà corruption láti inú Nàìjíríà. Ẹ wá ń wò pé tá bá dúró sínú system yìí, ó pé yín ju àwa lọ. But ẹ ti gbàgbé pé àwa ni majority. Tó bá ní majority, we are more than 80 million around the world. A dẹ̀ lè máa lọ ṣẹrú nílùú onílùú, ká lọ máa ṣẹrú nígbà tí a ní ilẹ̀ tiwa tí a lè transform, tá lè sọ di in tó máa wùn wá. We have brilliant Yoruba across the globe doing well. Àwọn tó wà nílé ẹ jẹ́ kó gbérí, ẹ wá fẹ́ torí pé intẹ́yìn rí jẹ nínú Nàìjíríà, torí pé ìwọ rò pé ìwọ ní connection. So connection tí ẹ yẹn o fẹ́ fi lock gbogbo wa in. Let us tell you now, enough is enough. Àwọn ọba kékeré díẹ̀ là ń sọ fọ́mọlúàbí tó bá dénú ẹ̀, ẹ̀yin àgbàlagbà inú máa dódindi. Ẹ rí n tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú pálásì kan tí wọ́n sọná sí. Ẹ mọ̀ pé kò tí ì dọ́dọ̀ tiwa bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ páwa sì ń ṣe bí ọmọlúàbí nítorí pé ọmọlúàbí ni gbogbo wa. Ó lè má tẹ́ lọ́rùn bí Koiki ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ó lè má tẹ́ lọ́rùn bí Òṣàtọ́lá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ó lè má tẹ́ lọ́rùn bí màmá wa Tẹ́ni blog ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀, Tẹ́ni Ọmọlógo. Ó lè má tẹ́ lọ́rùn bí Yèyé Dára ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀. Mo gbọ́ màmá wa lálẹ́ yìí. Ó lè má tẹ́ lọ́rùn bí Awíkóńkó ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀, àbí Máyégún General, àbí David Hamilton, àbí Gbẹ̀du. But interfin tó yín létí ni pé intergbedani ó ti rìn kọjá intíyàn kan lè fà sẹ́yìn. Ṣé rí gbogbo yín politician, mo ka gbogbo yín látòkè délẹ̀, ẹ̀ tó 2 million. Gbogbo yín pátápátá representing the Yorubas, ẹ̀ tó 2 million. Ẹ̀yin ò dẹ̀ lè torí pé intẹ́yìn ń jẹ nínú Nàìjíríà kẹ wá fa gbogbo wa tó kù sẹ́yìn. Ẹ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ wojú tèmi dáadáa, mo sọ fún ẹ bàbá ńlá yín ò tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ. Ẹ̀yin ò lè torí pé percentage yín tó ju díẹ̀ lọ nínú 80 million Yorubas around the world. Ẹ wá nítorí wọ́n jẹ́ senator lórí wa. Bóyá Tinubu ni o, bóyá senator kan ní Èkìtì ni o, bóyá Londo ni o, bóyá ní Kogi ni, ní Kwara. Wàá wá torí ìyẹn pé in tí wọ́n rí nínú Nàìjíríà, wàá wá fa owó ago tiwa sẹ́yìn, ó wá ní kanìṣó ní 2020. Ìwọ́gàn ò ní tẹ pósítà débi pé òun fẹ́ ṣe election ni hold. Màá play video yẹn fún yín láìpẹ́. There's about series of about different videos I'm going to be playing. Ẹ kàn máa gbọ́ voice yẹn ni because of the way I'm setting up, I cannot show you the video. Even Femi Falana, the senior advocate of Nigeria, know that there is a trouble coming. Ṣé kékeré ni INEC office tó ń jó ní South East? Kékeré sì lè ṣe rí yẹn. In tí Yorùbá fẹ́ ṣe, àwọn ìtẹ̀ tí sọ̀tà fẹ́ ṣe. Àwọn ìtí sọ̀tà fẹ́ ṣe. Mò ń gbọ́ journalist hangout. Àwọn èèyàn máa ń parọ́ fúnra wọn. I was watching them this evening at about 5 o'clock. Mo wá rí tán sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n wá ń try láti máa sọ pé àwọn tó ń jó INEC office yẹn. Even though they're blaming IPOB, and IPOB kò ló wà behind INEC office tó ń jó, is just the unknown gunmen. Unknown gunmen is just taking place in Southeast. I love that word, unknown gunmen. It could be anybody. But they are pointing finger at the Biafra. And the Biafra are not behind that. The government knows that. They have terrorists all over the land. And the terrorists are also creating the havoc. While they were just trying to justify that on Journalist Angle this afternoon, even as far back as 2019, INEC offices have been burnt, even in Abuja. But we have not even said what we want to do. But what we are telling those representing us, èmi ti sọ pé ìjà tó kù nísìn ìjánu ilé ni ṣẹ́rí gbogbo ìjà tèmi ti ń jà láti last year Buhari ò dá federal government ò dá those are the last year conversation. This time around, our streamlined focus is the geographical side of the Southwest. Who are these politicians? Are they the ones that are making life miserable for us, trying to still sell us? Òyìnbó ò lè dá wa dúró, forget about it. The white man at this stage cannot stop us, but they cannot intervene in the struggle. All they can do is watch things behind the scene. And I give kudos. I won't go into too much details, but I was in a very, very powerful meeting yesterday. I won't say more than that. And I'm not going to give you what country we were talking to. But I can tell you, some diaspora, Yorubas, are working around the clock. And that's about it. And it's ojú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Mo dúpẹ́ pé ẹ fún mi láǹfààní láti wà nínú meeting yẹn. Mo dúpẹ́ fún yín. In tó ń bọ̀. Politicians are not up to 2 million. Ẹ lọ calculate gbogbo wọn. Calculate them from the local government chairman. Tabate kó gbogbo staff tó ń bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́. Taba kó mọ́. Take all their staff working with them. They are not up to 2 million. And those cannot hold us back. They cannot hold us back. Let's hear more from Professor Banji Akintoye.
Ìjọba ò sí mọ́. Ìjọba ò lè wà kí gbogbo orúkọ àwọn máa yẹ. Nígbà tí àwọn Fúlàní bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní 2014 December January kankan, àwa akégbé síta sí Buhari. Àwọn ará ìlú ẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí tó ń ṣe burúkú wọ̀nyí o. Wọn kò tí ì tóbi rẹpẹtẹ bí eléyìí gbà yẹn o. Díẹ̀ láṣìírí. Àwọn rírí ará ìlú ẹ̀ ló ń ṣe burúkú yìí o. You are their kinsman. You are their tribesman. Tó o bá lo agbára influence ẹ pẹ̀lú wọn, tó o bá bẹ̀ wọ́n lè sọ̀kò. Mo ní wo kó jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ló ń ṣe bí ẹ̀yẹn kéèmí Banji Akintoye kì í jẹ́ president Nàìjíríà ìnáwó àfi wọn sílẹ̀ kán máa dàlúrú kán máa da gbogbo Nàìjíríà kán lọ máa pààyàn lábẹ́ ní ilẹ̀ Ìgbò kán lọ máa pààyàn nínà kán máa it won't happen. Èmi á pè wọ́n pé gbọ́ ẹ̀mí ni bàbá yín èmi dẹ̀ ni president Nàìjíríà whatever tó bá ń bí yín nínú ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ.
Now, Egbala Eti Baba Fim Bawa Sorolo. Thank you very much, Freedom Force. I can spot you there. And good evening, like I say, to all our Biafra brothers and sisters, mothers, uncles, fathers, wherever you're watching. I will be mixing the broadcast between English and Yoruba. But like I always say, if you can understand it, sit down and enjoy it. But if you think it's good, you're going to have to struggle to get the beat of it. I wish I could do more as well. Now, Baba Wam Shalayen Kokonfun Anibe. Wọ́n ní tó bá já wọn ní president tí àwọn ọmọ wa wá ń ṣe jàǹbá tá à ń ṣe fàlàdà ẹ mọ̀ pé gbogbo táwa fi ń slow down nísìn a ṣe ń fi ọwọ́ fáwọn bàbá wa bíi Professor Banji Akintoye ni. Not that we don't know what to do, but wọ́n sọ fún wa pé ẹ̀yin ọmọ mi defend the land. They told us that. Now ṣé tí Fúlàní bá gbé mi nísìn ẹ ní ṣe nǹkan kan ni ẹ máa láti dìde in tó fà á tí bàbá wa Chief Sunday Igboho Òòṣà. And the June 5 Ekiti State rally goes ahead as planned. Just like all other rally, and also that same June 5 is saying rally is going to come up as well. And likewise, June 12 will be all massive rally across the world. But next week, Saturday, Ekiti is expecting the crowd from not just Ekiti, but from the remaining part of the Yoruba land as well. June 19, I've also got a flyer somebody sent to me. Ikene will be holding a rally as well. Let us support all this rally as well. Let's come back to the conversation. Now, why is it that all these Yoruba politicians, I've told you, they are not up to 2 million. Calculate from their numbers, from the House of Representatives to the governor, to the deputy governor, and their staff, they are not up to 2 million. So why should they be the one to determine our fate? Why now? They are running left and skelter talking about 1999 Constitution review. There's nothing like, we have already abandoned that fraudulent scam constitution long time ago. Long time ago. And like Mayego used to say, if it's for the purpose of your traveling that you still need your Nigerian passport, you should keep it. There's no doubt about it. Does not mean that that will be the end of it, because it is only temporarily. If anybody in this planet is saying that Yoruba nation will not have a passport, write it down today. Rather than not have a Yoruba nation, Nigeria will stop to exist. Economy. We are so determined, extremely determined. And the world knows that. This is not terrorism. Some people might start thinking, because we have people that are watching, evildoers watching behind, thinking that they can tag this and tag us as terrorists. No. This is not terrorist. This is called self-determination. And it is allowed according to the United Nations. And we are allowed to say it the way we want to say it. You might not like it. Does not mean America should tag us as terrorists. No, there's nothing called terrorism there. This is fighting for the future. And rather than not have that future, there will not be anything called Nigeria. Let us warn all the international players thinking that Nigeria is their stakeholder, that Nigeria will stop to exist. It is better for them to start talking behind the scene with some of our leaders like Professor Banji Akintoye and the rest of them, and there's so many of them. But if they think that, because I don't want to mention their names, because by mentioning their name, that means I'm also giving them opportunity to think that, we are promoting them. Whether they are providing networking services, whether they are supplying us food, it doesn't matter whatever they are supplying us. I'm not talking about the Fulani now. I'm talking about international players thinking that Nigeria is their home. Nigeria is about to collapse. And if they don't start putting their plan to understand that there will be new nation coming in, then go and tell them that. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ wọ́n, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bá wọn ṣòwò, ẹ jẹ́ kó máa yé wọn pé ìlú kan tí ń bọ̀ tó ń pè ní Yorùbá nation. Tó bá ń béèrè pé bó ló ti ń bọ̀, ẹni nínú Nàìjíríà yẹn ló ti máa jáde, nítorí pé we have our own geographical terrain. Ní láti sọ pé a fẹ́ kó àwọn èèyàn kúrò. We know where our boundary is and where our boundary lies. And these are part of what United Nations also request. Ǹjẹ́ ní ilẹ̀ tí kò contravene, tí kò wọnúra wọn, Ọlọ́run tó dẹ̀ máa ṣẹ̀rẹ̀ Ọlọ́run tó máa dá gbogbo ẹ̀, ó ti mọ bí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe máa rí. I have told you astrologically, and I need to follow my YouTube because the YouTube is very important, especially we have a different platform set up on it as well. So I do appreciate those of you on our YouTube as we continue to say a very good evening for those of you watching as well. Let me say this as well. How come 245 people are watching us on YouTube and only 88 people are liking it? That's fine. It shows that some people are just watching, but they don't like what is going on. It doesn't matter. Now, let me explain this. We have all these Oyinbo people. It is the English people. English, Oyinbo, and one of them business in Nigeria. And we don't have a problem with them. But the problem we will have with them is if they think that because they want to keep Nigeria, and that means for that purpose a Yoruba nation, a Biafra nation, a Middle Belt nation, and the Arewa nation will not come out, then one mafia agba into one. So I would rather tell them now in advance, and that is part of what we are doing right now. If you look at the last press statement by Ninas on the 17th of April, they talked about the diplomatic side of things, going into all the diplomats and telling them that it does not matter whether it's American embassy operating in Nigeria. We are going to destroy and break up Nigeria. It's as simple as that. And it doesn't matter however you might think about it. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ máa dá sí ìjà yẹn, àwọn ogun ọ̀run kan máa dá sí tó wà nílẹ̀, because so many people have died